In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a direct link to your WhatsApp account, okay? This is very important if you want to share it in your website or you want to share with a client, okay? Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open WhatsApp. Just like that, you can see I have a chat with this guy, but if I want to click a direct WhatsApp link, if I click on settings here, there is no feature of creating a direct link. Okay, even if you go to settings, you will not get that feature, but there's a way of doing it that is very effective. Okay, let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is click wa.me, then /. After doing this, you type the plus sign, then the country code. Maybe you are from the US, your country code will be 1. Then let's say your number is 1 to 8. So you just type that number after that one. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now when you send this code, the person will be able to access your direct link. Okay, let me just send it here like this. You can see now this is a direct link to the profile of this number. If the person click on that number, WhatsApp will try to search for that number in order to take the person directly to your profile. Thank you guys. If this was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because this really helps me and at the same time helps you know when we upload new content. Thank you.